that data is the new gold. And when it comes to schools, in my experience, there has rarely been a saying that is more accurate and effective. Because when it comes to schools, sometimes the kind of data you can collect and the kind of information you can draw out of it can make a world of difference to the simplest of your initiatives. Hi, I am Abhiraj, one of the co-founders at SchoolPad. In the last decade, we have helped over 200 school owners and principals to manage their schools more efficiently by digitizing and automating their existing processes and creating an exceptional experience for parents, students, and teachers. My favorite part of doing what I do is talking to schools and their management, because every conversation is a chance for me to learn new things and gather amazing insights. And one of the most important things that I've learned over my interactions and observing schools using SchoolPad has been about collecting data and driving decisions through it. Let me share some examples. One of the schools I was talking to wanted to start a mobile app development course for their students. They wanted to get someone renowned from Bangalore who was charging a hefty fee for conducting the course. Instead of starting a course randomly and figuring out whether or not students were interested, the school used SchoolPad to run a quick poll to see the interest of parents. The poll contained details about the course and the fee and sought the interest of the parents regarding the enrollment of their children. With this data in hand, the school was able to get a clear-cut picture of whether or not their students and the parents were interested in the course in the first place, instead of blindly investing into it. Another school I interacted with used this data-driven approach to address a different concern. An issue that many schools faces while working on building good habits among children, the initiatives they take are not aligned with the parents' approach at home. Good habits can only be formed if both the school and parents work together on the child and follow certain guidelines in a consistent manner. It does not work until the parents also understand the importance of that habit and align their home environment with it. This school that I'm talking about was very focused on building hygiene as a habit. To that end, they had all sorts of initiatives being run within the school, but they also needed to make parents understand the importance of what they were teaching and ensure that they cooperated in inculcating these healthy habits at home. So they ran a series of questions in the form of weekly polls on SchoolPad that had simple pointed questions like how many times do you cut your child's nails, or how many glasses of water the child drinks every day, or how often do they wash their child's school bag, and so on. Instead of a detailed survey that would need to be filled out and sent to the school, this was a quick poll that parents could answer on the go. They had to just tap on the notification, choose an option, and it was done. The questions were designed to seek data from targeted audience, which were basically students of specific age groups, as well as subtly inform parents about the importance of hygiene by bringing in awareness around various practices through these questions. The data that they were able to collect made their initiatives a lot more informed and effective. Instead of working on guesses and generalizations, they were able to pinpoint the age groups with the exact problem areas and direct their initiatives accordingly. Without a data-driven approach, even the most excellent initiatives are designed based on assumptions and have a generic approach. A data-driven approach allows the school to spend their time and effort in the direction where it is needed immediately and in a way that data suggests it should be done. This leads to an approach that is highly optimized and result-oriented and delivers optimal outcomes. I hope this video gave you more ideas about how you can optimize your data collection and usage to fuel your school's growth story. See you in my next video.